if you are a fiction writer and you're watching this right now, then I'm going to share with you sites that would pay you huge bucks to write fiction for them. Okay, so I listed a couple of sites that pay African writers in my previous videos, and then some people reached out to me and asked me to find sites that could pay fiction writers for them. Okay, to specifically find sites that pay fiction writers, which is what I'm doing in this video. So in this video, I'm going to be sharing with you about 6 sites that will pay you to submit your stories to them. So you guys, we're getting started in a moment. However, if you're just seeing this channel for the first time, then I talk about writing and how you can monetize your content writing career. Okay, so if you're interested in this kind of video, then you definitely want to click the subscribe button so that you don't miss out on my videos. All right, so now let's get into the video. So the first site on my list is called Web Novel. All right, now I'm going to be listing out all these sites in the description box, and I would also add a link to the site where you can find their guidelines and then apply to get a contract with this site. All right, so check the description box after now. But yes, the first site is Web Novel. Now Web Novel will pay you for 50,000 words. Okay, if your story is up to 50,000 words, then they are looking for you. They publish stories in over 7 languages, including in English. All right, and they also accept African writers. So if you're an African writer and you know your onion, then check out Web Novel's site. Now the way Web Novel works is they work based on royalty contracts. Okay, so now the money that is made from subscriptions that that you bring to their site, and then from the direct sales of your book and other means, all of these funds are put together and then they share these funds with the author. Okay, so it's a royalty contract based payment. But yeah, if you check out their site, you'll be able to see more of their guidelines and apply accordingly. The second site on my list is called Letterlux. Letterlux. Now Letterlux publishes your books. It will help you publish your story in 3 top sites, on 3 top sites, thereby increasing the visibility of your book. And if your story is good enough, you're going to get a good fan base in a short time. All right, so they'll sign a contract with you. If you are eligible for the contract, then they're going to sign a contract with you and then start promoting your books, and then you can start earning from those books that you've written. So check out their site and see what they need and do it. Site number 3 is called Fizo. Now Fizo is another site that will pay you huge bucks, anywhere from $200 to $400 for your stories that you have published. All right, so the thing is that Fizo, they also work on contract basis. Okay, so like I have been doing, I'm going to add a link. So you're just going to go there, read their guidelines, and then apply and sign a contract with them. If they like your book, you sign a contract and then you start earning from that. Fourth site on my list is called Readom. Now Readom has a signing bonus of $100. So that means that if you sign a contract with them, they are going to give you $100 for starters, and then subsequently, as your book progresses and brings in more words, before you complete your book, you'll be able to make more money from the site. All right, now Readom works by allowing you to upload a body text of up to 3,000 words. If you're able to first upload a body text of up to 3,000 words story, then you qualify to sign a contract with them. All right, if they like it, then you sign the contract with them, you get your $100 bonus, and then you can start completing your novel. And the more words you write, the more engagement your novel brings, then the more you earn. Site number 5 is called White Kiss. Now if you apply on White Kiss, they have a signing bonus of $50. Okay, so here's the thing: when you go to their website, you're going to check their guidelines, what they require before you can sign a contract with them. And if they like you, then you sign a contract with them and get $50 instantly. Now if you are able to complete your book within 6 months, all right, then you get the full completion fee for that story, which could be anywhere from $300 to $500, depending on your word count and other factors that you'd find out when you check out their guidelines. So yes, of course, you're going to go there and check out their guidelines, what they need, and then you sign up, start a contract, and you start writing your story. And final site on my list is called Good Novel. Now Good Novel would pay you $100 as a signing bonus. All right, so first of all, they require you to write about 5,000 words of story. All right, and then they're going to look at it. If they like it, then you're going to sign a contract with them to start writing on their site. Okay, then they give you a bonus of $100. Now when you you've signed your contract, you can then start writing your story to completion. Now, good novel will accept anywhere from 60,000 to 120,000 words, and they'll pay you about $300 to $500 for these contracts. Yeah, so that's it, guys. These sites are really waiting for you to start earning money. So stop hiding those beautiful words in your laptops or your phones and start uploading them. Millions of people are waiting to read them, and thousands of dollars are waiting to enter your pocket. So visit these sites, check out the description box, visit them, apply, sign a contract, and start writing for money. If you've got to this point, then I'm sure you already subscribed. If you didn't, then please subscribe to my channel so that you can get free information like this on a regular basis. All right, guys, thank you for staying to the end of this video, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.